Hello, this is Laura Parma. Welcome to another episode of The Contemplations. Today, let's talk about mental health. We are putting unprecedented demands and expectation on ourselves. If in one place more than in any other, the workplace. The problem is that the market or this stress-filled, fast-paced workplace we work in might not respond really well to lower expectation or slower delivery pace. The problem is that if we evolved in that arena 8 hours a day, the stress at this pace escalates really fast and the consequences can be unforgiving. So mental health, we tend to have a very reactive response to mental health. And why is that? This is because mental health is invisible. It is much harder to keep track of what we feed our mind rather than what we feed our body. We would never eat rotten tomatoes. It would just not even cross our mind to let that happen. However, when it comes to keep track of what comes in and out of our mental realm, that is much more difficult to keep track of. For example, lowered self-esteem, anxiety, fear. We let them pervade our mental realm much more often. And the problem is that not only do we let them in, but we also let them stay. And sometimes we let them stay on the chronic level, and that's why we get a reactive approach to healthcare, is that we let them stay on so long that eventually we suffer long-term psychological damage that then requires therapy and long-term care. Now, when it is time to call upon our institution to create emotionally safe and empathy-filled workplaces, it is also time to take responsibility for ourselves to self-care in a systematic way that actually matches the demands of our lives. Thank you so much for watching this episode on mental health. Next week will also be on mental health. I will be developing this topic a little further in a new format. Stay tuned.